Today we are evaluating the integral of tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x square root dx, where x is between 0 and pi over 2. We will solve this question by using the identities of 1 minus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, and the tan inverse of tan x, where x is between 0 and pi over 2 equals x. So these are the identities that we'll be using. So let's get started. Given integral can be written as tan inverse square root of, as we discussed, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. So 2 sine square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x dx. We can cancel out 2. And what is sine square x over cos square x? Yes, it is tan square x. So integral of tan inverse square root of tan square x dx. And as you know, that square root of tan square x can be written as tan x. So the integral becomes tan inverse of tan x dx. Now, we can use the formula that tan inverse of tan x equals x, where x lies between 0 and pi over 2. So therefore, we can write the given integral as integral of x dx. And we know that the integral of x is x squared over 2 plus c. To enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.